Rachel. Hey, Lauren, how are you? I'm doing well. How about you? Pretty good. Can't complain. I'm glad to hear that. Listen, I was wondering if you'd like to have lunch with me tomorrow. Oh, I'd love to, but I'm actually going to New York for the day. Can I take a rain check? Oh, absolutely. Enjoy your time in New York. To take a rain check means to ask someone if you can postpone something, if you can schedule something at a later date. So in this video, Rachel really wanted to have lunch with Lauren, but she wasn't able to because she already had another commitment. So when she asked if she could take a rain check, that meant she asked if they could have lunch together another time. If you enjoyed this video and found it really helpful, please hit the like button, and if you would like to see more videos on English idioms, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching!